When you hear GPS, you probably think of your phone's navigation system getting you to that new shopping center across town. GPS is so useful because it's an accurate way to calculate the position of anything anywhere on the globe, making it an incredible resource for determining the boundaries and corners of your new property that might not have a physical address. In this short video, we're going to learn how to find the boundaries of a property using the Google My Map on an Elegment listing, how you can easily get turn-by-turn directions to the property, and where to find exact GPS coordinates of the property corners so you can locate surveying markers when you're visiting the property. First, let's explore the Google My Map. If you scroll down on the listing on your phone, you'll see the interactive map. To expand the map, click on the rectangular icon in the top right-hand corner. From here, we can easily move around the map and see the boundaries of the property and the corners. This is a great way to get a feel for the area, get a feel for nearby neighbors, and see nearby utilities. If we tap the boundary or one of the property corners, we'll be given the option to navigate to this location at the bottom of the phone. For this video, let's put in the Walmart in Woodville, but you can use your phone's GPS location. Even though this property doesn't have an address, we're still able to navigate to it because of the GPS coordinates. This map is also helpful for when you reach your destination. With your location data turned on, you can see your general location updated on the map so you can walk the perimeter and easily find survey markers. We've made it easy to navigate directly to the property. On each listing, you'll find these links. Clicking the first link will open turn-by-turn directions to the parcel. Click the second link when you've arrived on the property to see the property boundaries as well as your location represented by a flashing blue dot. This way you can walk along the property following the interactive map. Before we move on, you might also find a second interactive map on our listings featuring local attractions and amenities. These maps are super helpful and have a lot of information that you might not see at first glance. On this listing, we have a map showing the private lake access, fishing spots, and the local park. If you tap on the icons on the map, it'll pull up images we've taken so you can get a close-up view of the area. Now let me show you a different way to find GPS coordinates of your property. Back on the Elegment listing, scroll down until you see the GPS coordinates listed for the property. Every Elegment property has clear GPS coordinates included in the listing so you can get an accurate understanding of the boundaries and corners of the property. Using these numbers can be incredibly powerful if you have a GPS surveying device or surveying app, but can also be used with free map software. It's important to note that although GPS is accurate, it's only accurate to a point. Therefore, GPS is a good tool in locating survey markers for the property, but might not show the exact property line. So we've learned about Google My Maps and how to navigate with them. We've seen pictures of local attractions on the map, and we have GPS coordinates of the property. The only thing left to do is get in the car and go visit ourselves. And if you're still struggling to find the property, feel free to call or text us for help.